Well, the Army has a cadence for this. It goes, here we go again. All right, I got Frank coming back in with his wife Katie's car. I got my fan on, turn this fan off. So here we are with Frank and his wife Katie. I don't know if our lighting is very good. We'll rotate.
Adjust.
There we go. Here we got Frank and his wife Katie rolling up in their beautiful Miami blue Cayman. And we are going to install, what are we going to install today?
A BlackVue front and rear camera system.
As you say that. All right. So with that, RTFM, Katie's been on with the app, Q code, reading step-by-step instructions on how to unbox it. And sorry I didn't capture that, but boy, that was gold. So anyway, husband and wife team in the garage today. Let's get after it. Frank, you look real good from this view. Frank's in here trying to position the power unit. It's real dark down there. I don't have any good light. We're trying to decide whether we do a vertical emplacement or a horizontal flat emplacement underneath the passenger seat. What you got a hold of there, Frank, again? I'm sorry.
This is the power plug that we're going to run from this camera across the headliner, down the pillar,
Yep.
out down here, across here, underneath my leg,
Yep.
and then out right here to attach to the battery pack.
Knee bone connect to the leg bone.
That is
Yeah, you don't have to do that, brother.
in the back
All right.
somewhere.
All right.
Trying to help you out. Or you could hardwire it to the fuse panel, which I didn't know was right here, but I just don't like that idea.
All right. So we're going straight to the battery pack.
Yes.
Not messing with the fuse box.
Not my fuse box. I feel like the fuse box leaves too much problems. If you mess it up, you could fry the electronics of the car, which I don't want to do.
Bad day.
Bad day. Is the kit came with those like glass wire ties? Mm-hmm. Is we put one of the glass wire ties right here, keep these two together, and then we will feed these across the headliner. One is power, one is to the rear camera, and then we'll figure out how to get over to here and down.
Bless you, bless you. So what we're doing right now is mocking it up with some painter's tape to guide the wires. It's not a perfect solution, but it's the neatest solution that we could come up with. And getting it underneath the headliner might be a little, actually both wires underneath the headliner might be a little trick. We're gonna see how this goes. Frank is inside, obviously, and he's trying to jam those two wires underneath the headliner.
Not being very successful.
Yeah, this is not easy. If anyone ever says it just pops right in. Has a lot of experience and done it before. This is literally first time experimental test pilot trying to get this done. You got it started?
Yeah.
All right, we got it started. All right. There's Frank getting the corner in. Really trying to not get the reflection of the light. Yeah, so Frank has got it worked around the corner from the headliner piece. Is now going with the A-pillar piece right now, leveraging it out and tucking in those two wires. So yeah, I think we got a solution here. There we go, right there, Frank, pushing, baby. We got it. So the magic was going all along the top edge here, and then at the corner prying down, and this A-pillar or door pillar piece pried down and then towards the center of the car, and it popped it out. and then we got to pop the wires ran, excuse me, and pop back in. So let's go on the exterior. All right. So Frank surgically removed the trim piece tools from his sphincter, and so now we, because he sat on, so now he is running the wires along the trim piece here underneath the rubber molding.
There's something in the way though.
All right. So where are you going to take those to, Frank?
I'm hoping to go all the way down here.
Yep.
Underneath this trim piece.
The sill plate.
Back to here, and then one goes to the battery, and then we're gonna run one up through here, and then somehow we got to get to here.
Okay, in the back. All right, let's try it out. Got it. We got it. That was it.
Okay, now I just gotta get off the top.
Oh!
Yes. So, I think we should just pull this whole thing until it pops up in here.
Yep.
And then, we tuck it in from the top.
Okay.
Well, hold on a second. Let me not take the zip tie through. Let me push this down. Let me undo the electrical tape. Okay. If I can figure out where I did it at.
Let me just, tuck the spare, all the extra shit up in there.
Go ahead and pull up the zip tie, Chris.
All right.
So what I was thinking was if I just pull this like this, then maybe we can just get it, because I think it's easier tucking it from the top.
Okay.
Is what I'm thinking.
Okay.
Then we can run it.
Oh, there we go. All right. You want me to pull this piece out? Well, we can leave it in for right now, I think, for a little insurance. What do you think?
Sure. And then,
we need to measure where you want to put this guy.
oh yeah. I was thinking that eventually we can zip tie this into a bundle and just tuck the whole bundle in there.
Tuck it up.
All right.
All right.
Those of you that don't know, there's a protective covering on here. Let's go to this.
Protective sheet.
Yes, it's got a condom.
All right.
Taking off this red piece of
Backing.
So when I put up my lights for my house, they all had this.
Right. Each one of those had one of those on there?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
But I didn't rely on them. I found a guy that would 3D print a bracket for my specific lights.
You've got a guy?
I found a guy online.
Boom! All right, here we go.
And
so where are we putting it? The top one or the first one?
I'm not.
You need, so this top, you need to rotate like this. Rotate. Yeah, right there. Yep. Come towards me.
Yeah, it's
Come
not.
towards me.
Stop.
Hold it. Oh shit. Boom! Perfect, Frank.
How am I looking?
Perfect. You get horizontal. Perfect. Got it. Yep. Perfect, Frank. I mean, that literally is perfect. Yep. Perfect. All right. Okay. So where we ended up was splitting the two, the forward camera and the rear camera, when we came up here to the headliner. So at this juncture, we got the rear camera going across the top, and then the front camera going down the pillar like we briefed, underneath the door sill, beauty plate right here, exiting right here, you can see it, and down into the box, down in there. So for the rear camera, all along the upper liner here, beautiful installation all the way back. You can see it just barely sticking out, a little shiny right here on this split line. Along the back, up underneath the rear hatch, and you can see it right there. That is the rear camera. Pro installation. Love it. So that's where the cable comes out for the top. Again, like we said, we did it all along the back there underneath the molding, through that back piece of plastic. All the extra cable was tucked up inside there, and Frank expertly stuck that joker perfectly the first time on the back window. So with that, we're gonna sign off.
Victory! Now we see a car wash.
Yeah.
Covered in sweat.
All right, Frank, Katie, and Banshee19 signing out.